Mabuhay! I am Maribel A. Tesoro from Philippines. I am a professional licensed teacher. I finished my degree in Bachelor in Elementary Education with concentration in English. I have earned my 39 credit hours in master's degree, major in Educational Management. I have 21 years of teaching experience in both private and public school. Currently, I am in the public school, handling 4th grade and teaching English. Teaching is not just a job for me. It is a chance to open doors to the new worlds for my students. I bring energy, enthusiasm, and commitment in creating an interactive learning environment. I believe in fostering a space where my students are not just only listeners, but also an active learners. I would love to have an opportunity as an elementary teacher in your school. Thank you very much and good day.